In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use CapCut templates to create quick and professional looking videos. Whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or even a computer, these steps are simple and efficient, helping you elevate your video editing game with ease. First, you'll want to open the CapCut app on your device. As soon as the app is up, direct your attention to the bottom left of the screen. There, you'll spot the Templates tab, your gateway to discovering a myriad of ready-made designs. This is also where creativity meets convenience, offering you a plethora of choices to suit various themes and moods. Now, CapCut isn't the only avenue to find these templates. You also have TikTok as a resourceful platform in your toolkit. Simply search for CapCut templates within TikTok's search bar. A treasure trove of videos will appear, showcasing different templates. When you find a template that catches your eye, you can tap Use this template. This action will seamlessly direct you to CapCut, where you can dive right into editing. Another nifty feature within CapCut is the search option that allows you to uncover trending or recommended templates. Perhaps you're interested in producing a seasonal video, like a winter wonderland montage or a festive holiday edit. This feature makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've laid your eyes on the perfect template and decided to use it, the app will guide you to add your own videos or photos into the slots of the template. Feel free to fill all the slots or skip some if they aren't necessary for your vision. This is the moment to express your creativity, making the project uniquely yours. From here, you can begin customizing your project to fit your style. CapCut gives you the flexibility to edit each clip to your taste, adjust the volume levels to match the mood, apply filters for that perfect finish, or even completely replace clips if necessary. The choice is entirely yours. When it comes to audio, CapCut doesn't lock you into a preset track. By opening the audio menu, you can swap out the background music, allowing your chosen soundtrack to shine through in your video. If you encounter text within the template, personalize it with your own message to enhance the storytelling aspect. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to export your video. You can save it directly to your device, or you might prefer to share it straight to TikTok. If you choose the latter, posting through CapCut includes the option to remove the watermark, ensuring a clean and polished presentation. Additionally, you can adjust the video resolution here for optimal quality before publishing. And just like that, with a few taps and some creativity, you're all set to publish your edited masterpiece on TikTok, sharing it proudly with your audience. Enjoy the engagement with your newfound professional touch.